From the wild world of cross-species bear breeding, we've got a surprise for you. Ever heard of a pizzly bear? That's the unique offspring of a polar bear and a grizzly bear. Imagine meeting one of those on a nature walk. Now, here's a twist in the tale of corporate rivalry. Back in 2006, a Coca-Cola employee tried to sell company secrets to Pepsi. But Pepsi, playing by the book, alerted Coca-Cola instead. Talk about a fizzled-out espionage. Did you know that the 10 highest mountain summits in the United States are all situated in Alaska? That's a lot of chilly heights for one state. In the realm of gaming, Nintendo trademarked the phrase, "It's on like Donkey Kong" in 2010. Lastly, think twice before you chop down a saguaro cactus in Arizona. It could lead to a Class 4 felony charge and jail time. Yes, you heard it right, for a cactus. And that's your quick dose of random